Welcome to this tutorial on Get-LocalGroup, a PowerShell cmdlet for viewing user groups. In this video, you'll learn how to list and examine local security groups on Windows systems. This is part of our PowerShell user management series, where we explore essential commands for managing users and groups on your computer. Get-LocalGroup is a PowerShell cmdlet that lists all local security groups on a Windows system. It displays group names, descriptions, and security identifiers, which are unique codes assigned to each group. This command is essential for auditing and managing local permissions on your computer. You can use it on your local machine or even query remote computers to see their security groups. The basic syntax is simple. Just type Get-LocalGroup and press Enter. This command with no parameters will list all local groups on your computer. It's the quickest way to see what security groups exist on your system. When you run Get-LocalGroup, you'll see output with two columns, name and description. Common groups include administrators, which have full system access, backup operators who can back up files, guests with limited access, power users for legacy compatibility, remote desktop users who can connect via RDP, and users with standard user rights. Each group serves a specific purpose in Windows security. To retrieve detailed information about a specific group, use the name parameter. For example, get localgroup-name followed by the group name in quotes, like administrators. This returns information about only that specific group, which is useful when you need to verify details about a particular security group. You can also query groups by their security identifier, or SID. Use get-localgroup-SID followed by the SID value in quotes. For example, S-1-5-32-544. Security identifiers are unique codes that Windows uses internally, and they're more reliable than names because they never change, even if the group is renamed. There are several practical use cases for Get-LocalGroup. You can audit your local security group structure to understand who has what permissions. It's also useful to verify group existence before making modifications with other commands. Security professionals use it to generate security reports, and system administrators automate group management tasks by incorporating it into PowerShell scripts. To summarize, Get-LocalGroup provides essential visibility into local security groups for effective Windows system administration. Whether you're auditing permissions, verifying group configurations, or automating management tasks, this cmdlet is a fundamental tool in your PowerShell toolkit. Practice using these commands to become comfortable with managing local groups on your Windows systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.